Movicon.NExT 4.0 is the new Scada HMI mesh generation. Extreme flexibility of design within the same environment, from simple web HMI projects to layered factory automation and I 4.0 architectures. Scalable and open architecture on framework.NET with the native OPC UA data information model. A reliable data server with OPC UA and I/O drivers already integrated. Graphics library of new generation to give space to your creativity. Interactive and dynamic geographic maps for modern GeoScada systems. Conceived to be used in any sector of industrial automation. An integrated, modern and intuitive workspace for faster and rewarding design times. A powerful, complete and customizable alarms management brings everything under control. Data registration on historian and data loggers to record large volumes of data on your favorite DB or cloud. Historical data are processed through the powerful integrated analysis features. Platform conceived specifically to support the most sophisticated and reliable data integrity and security systems. Connectivity to the maximum extent, supporting the information flow and interconnect the factory on all levels, OT, IT, IoT. The future is already available with the integration of cognitive augmented reality systems and HMI. State-of-the-art web client technology for remote supervision access via HTML5 browser on native iOS and Android app. Highly qualified technical and application support personnel delivering great service value. Our guarantee to your success, always. Movicon.NExT 4.0 is the best platform for every project.